Are you seeing the APC?
Yes, I am. But I mean APC, in Hausa they say APC Tagumi.
What does that mean?
Watch and see.
You're one of those who helped, in your little way, helped to form the APC.
Yes.
But the last 8 years of Buhari, 2 years of Bola Tinubu, 10 years in total, are you proud of what you helped to form?
No, I'm not.
Are you disappointed with the Tinubu government's performance?
A little bit. I am. Truly, I am.
Have you given up on APC?
I'm just highly disappointed. Very disappointed. I actually thought that, there are some places I can't go to. During Buhari's time, second tenure, they broke my windscreen. Because they said, oh, you promised us, now you're enjoying your inside car. Before, when you go to traffic lights, you see them begging, using their hands like this. Now they will knock on your window. Now they will snatch whatever it is that you have. So, even if you think, oh, it doesn't affect me, it's coming. I am afraid of the storm that is coming.
There's a storm.
Oh yeah, there's a storm that is coming. People
and it could consume the APC.
People will think that, it's the North. The North, they don't go to school. There's insecurity. If it blows up in the North, Nigeria is gone. So we have to fix it.
So APC is a difficult name to bear, a difficult party name to a title to bear in public now. Is that dangerous?
Yes, it is. Let me tell you, there was a reconciliation meeting we had at Women's Center for FCT APC members. I swear to God, I only saw one APC cap. People went there as APC people, but they did not go there for the government. They went there for the reconciliation so that they can see how relevant they can be. People are even scared. A lady called me last week. She said, we need to start a support group to go to start campaign for 2027. I said, so what do you want us to do? We should call women. I said, call women. You want to call women with me? I said, don't call me. What do you want me to tell them? I've already used my goodwill. I've already said, what I'm supposed to say. What do you want me to go and tell them now? So that they will eat me and you. I said, no, go. I'm not doing.